Hi guys, today I'll be talking about this board and I'll show you where the fuses in Obd Port located at. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. You'll see a lot of good content. If you have any questions, comment below. So the first thing first, the Obd Port location is going to be right on the steering wheel. If you need to plug in the computer or for DQ, it's right there. And to get to your first fuse box location, mine's right here. It's open. Not sure if you have to take anything off here, but it is located right there. You need to get to it. And to get to your second one, you have to open the hood. Hood latch is right here. You open it. You have a latch right here. I don't have a grill, so all you do is lift this up once you unlock it, and then you go this way. Click it this way. While you click this way, you can raise it up. So to get to your second one, it'll be right in here. Mine's pretty loose. To open it, I believe you have to lift this thing up, and that opens up. And there's your second fuse box location. Close it back up. You just line it up. And there you go. And this is all I found for the fuses. If you know more, comment below. And also I'll show you spare tire where it's located. I don't have one, but usually it's located in the back and underneath on this thing right here. I don't have mine, but that's where it's located. And you need a special tool to go through here and unscrew it, and that gets loose, and that's how you drop it. This will be it for this one, and if you have any other questions, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.